In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect emails with ManyChat. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a simple but powerful Instagram automation that captures email addresses and sends people directly to your guide, ebook, or free resource. First, log into your ManyChat account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This is where you manage how ManyChat connects to your channels and where your automations will run. Inside the settings area, look again at the left panel and find the section called Channels. Under Channels, you'll see Instagram listed. Click on Instagram and make sure your Instagram account is already connected to ManyChat. If it isn't connected, you'll need to follow the prompts to connect it before moving on, because this automation will be triggered by Instagram messages. Now that Instagram is connected, go back to the left panel and click on Automation. Here you'll see a list of any automations you already have. To create a new one, look at the top right corner and click the button that says New Automation. A pop-up will appear. In this pop-up, choose Start from Scratch at the top right, then select Start with a blank from the drop-down. This gives you a clean slate to build exactly what you need. You'll now be taken into the visual editor. The first thing you need to do is set a trigger. Click on New Trigger. A pop-up will appear asking what should start this automation. For this example, choose User Sends a Message. A drawer will open on the left tier. In that drawer, select Detect Specific Words in a Message. In the field that appears, type in one or more keywords that people are likely to send you when they want your free resource. These could be words like guide, ebook, or free. Once you've added your keywords, click Create at the bottom right of that drawer. On the next step, choose Instagram as the channel where this trigger should apply. ManyChat will automatically add a text block to your flow, but you can ignore that for the moment. Instead, scroll down in the editor and add a data collection block. In the question field, type something like, I can send you the free guide. What's your best email address? Then click on the contact's reply. A pop-up will open. For the reply type, choose email. Turn on the option to save the email to a system field and also enable email opt-in. This ensures the email address is stored correctly and that you have permission to send emails. Next, go back to the original text block at the top of the flow. Hover over it and drag it down so that it appears after the email reply in the sequence. This way, the person sees your confirmation message only after they've entered their email. Edit this text block to say something like, Thanks, I've saved your email. Then add a button to this message and choose the action Open Website. Give the button a clear title, such as See Guide Here, and paste in the URL where your guide or resource is hosted. When everything looks good in your flow, go to the top right of the editor and click Set Live. This activates the automation. From now on, whenever someone sends you a message on Instagram that includes your chosen keyword, ManyChat will ask for their email, save it, and then send them straight to your content.